Environmentally friendly. The clients are passionate about eco-friendly living. They want the home to incorporate sustainable materials, energy, efficient systems, and rainwater harvesting techniques. Open concept. The family enjoys open living spaces. They prefer a design that allows for easy flow between the living room, kitchen, and dining area. However, they also appreciate having private spaces for each family member. Natural elements. The family loves the outdoors and wants the design to incorporate natural elements like stone and wood. They also want large windows and glass doors to bring in ample natural light and allow for a connection with the surrounding landscape. Outdoor living. The clients want an outdoor area for dining and relaxation. This space should be versatile, allowing for both intimate family gatherings and larger social events. Child-friendly. As parents of 2 young children, safety is a priority. The design should include child-proof features and a designated play area, possibly integrated with the living space for supervision. Future-proofing. The clients plan to live in this house for a long time. They are interested in future-proofing the design, making it adaptable for changing family needs and incorporating smart home technologies. Requirements. Floor plan. Provide a detailed floor plan that includes the layout of the living room, kitchen, dining area, bedrooms, bathrooms, and any additional rooms like a home office or a guest room. Exterior design. Design the exterior of the house considering the materials, color palette, and landscaping. Include features like large windows, a welcoming entrance, and a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Sustainability. Describe the sustainable features of the house, such as solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, rainwater harvesting systems, and any other eco-friendly technology. Interior design. Suggest interior design elements, including furniture, lighting, and decor, keeping in mind the family's preferences for natural materials and an open, airy atmosphere. Innovation. Propose innovative ideas or technologies that can enhance the home's functionality, sustainability, or overall aesthetic appeal.